everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be getting into my latest Beachly box. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks hanging out with me today. Dexter is right behind me here. If you can see him, there he is. He's got a good treat. Loki's here too. He's on the floor. And we hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so we can keep on doing this. Beachly is a fun quarterly seasonal subscription box. It is a beach and lifestyle subscription box, but they have others. They have a women's, they have a men's, they have a beauty, and they have a home decor. Mine is the Beachly, so it is a beach and lifestyle. For this box, you can choose to pay seasonally or you can pay annually. If you choose to pay seasonally, it's $99 a season plus shipping. If you choose to do the annual option, then you would pay $336 plus shipping. That's a $15 a month discount or a $15 a box discount. All right, so you usually get about $250 of value out of this box for the $84 or the $99 that you spend. It's beach-inspired apparel and accessories and home goods, so I have a lot of fun with it. Plus, it has a ton of customizations and an entire shop for you. So I really enjoy this one. It brings a little bit of the beach to your house. Let's dig right in. Okay, so when I open it, here's what I see. And it says, "Hello, Sunshine. By ordering this box, you have helped protect and restore vital coastal ecosystems. A portion of proceeds has been donated to our partner, Sea Trees, who will be using your donation to maintain the health of kelp forests in Southern California, watersheds in Maui, and more. Thank you for being a Beachly member and supporting the Sea Trees mission." Right on top here, I have a little pamphlet that's going to tell me about the items inside this box. Here's the front, the New Year edit. And yeah, let's dig in. It says the New Year's box, new season, same Beachly magic. As we welcome a new season, there's something comforting in knowing that some things never change, like the calm of the ocean, the warmth of the sun, and the magic of living life at a coastal pace. The new year brings fresh energy, soft restarts, and brighter moments. Step into it with a sea breeze in your hair, cozy layers, and shoreline serenity. Whether you're setting intentions, chasing sunshine, or simply slowing down, this New Year box is curated to bring calm and coastal joy to your everyday routine. All right, let's do this. First item I see is a sweatshirt. I think it's a sweatshirt. Let me dig in here. And of course, I will put all the information for Beachly down below if you want to give this service a try. I'm really enjoying it. I am. I'm newer to it, so I think this is maybe my third box, maybe my fourth, but it hasn't been that long. So for this one, it is called the Sea La Vie hoodie. It's valued at $68. It says cozy meets coastal with our plush flocked hoodie, the perfect layer for breezy beach walks, sunset bonfires, or lazy lounge days. How cute is that? So it's nice, and and you can pick your size. I think I got a small. Yeah, I ordered a small. I think that's adorable. I'm enjoying that. Okay, I will tell you, if you guys remember, I think it was 2 boxes ago, I got the set. It is the softest set. I absolutely love, love, love it. I think it was by Saltwater Luxe. It was these plushy pants and a matching crew neck sweatshirt, and I absolutely love it. So I'm hoping I like this one just as much. Next up, I love these slippers. How awesome are these? Ah! These are so cute. All right, so this is called the Seashell slipper by Sundream. They're valued at $48. Do you not love that? They're so cute. So I love the seashells there, right? It's all soft and cozy on the inside. And then it's got this nice bottom where you don't have to worry about not running out on your sidewalk, driveway, garage, right? You're going to be okay. This will rinse right off. It says, slip into coastal comfort with these cozy seashell slippers, the ultimate treat for your toes after a sun-soaked day. With the plush Sherpa uppers and soft as sand lining, they're made for lazy beach mornings, post-surf lounging, or pretending you're still on vacation. I love that. I'm very excited about those. You want to get in there early so you can pick your customizations before they sell out. So as soon as the window comes open, I always try to make sure I'm in there picking my pieces. All right, so next up are the Barefoot Scientist socks. I love these so much. It says sleep on it, plus scientifically advanced moisturizing gel socks, boost skin's regenerative processes for smoother, softer, and well-rested feet. These are amazing because they fix those cracked heels with ease, right? All that stuff. It says extended moisture release technology nourishes skin to provide deep hydration and helps feet recover from everyday wear and tear. Soft gel lining delivers an antioxidant-rich blend of natural moisturizers over the entire foot while releasing a calming scent from aloe oil. And socks feature a sustainable cotton knit material with an elastic spandex blend for stretch, as well as slip-on dots for safe use during the day. No, Dexter. Here's what they look like. There's those dots. Here's the front, and there's all that fun, good aloe in there. These are amazing. If you haven't tried them, they're so worth it to try. So if you're, instead of, lathering your feet with all of that lotion and then covering them with socks, this is already done for you. So I love these. I always grab them every time I can. I think that I don't see these listed right here right now. So I think they're valued around $12 to $15. Next up, Attitude. Okay, so this one is the Silk Dream Set. It says, feels like you're drifting into vacation mode every night with the Luxe Bedding Trio, designed for sun-kissed dreams and salt air snoozing. The Silk Dream Set wraps you in fabric that feels soft as sea foam and smooth as a sunset swell. It's valued at $50, and you get the pillowcase, the face mask, as well as the washcloth. And this is a very nice, soft fabric. I don't think it tells me on here what it is. No, but let me see here. It's 100% bamboo lyocell. So it's waffle bamboo lyocell. This is awesome. And the pillowcase, I think, is going to be the same. Let me look here. So the pillowcase is clean bamboo, 100% bamboo lyocell. All right, I love that little set. Comes in its own little bag here. Next up, what do I have? This is by Wonder. This is the Upgraded Lashes Treatment Mascara. And this one is, let's see here. So it's valued at $26, and it says a lash thickening mascara that helps strengthen and thicken the appearance of lashes. And to use it, you wiggle the lash thickening mascara wand onto the base of your lashes and comb upwards to the tip of your lashes. Oh, usually I just do the base. I have one, Grand Lash. I think that's one I use. I just put it at the base. So here's what it looks like. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. If anyone has already tried it, let me know how well or well not it works, right? Okay, and last, Luna. Yeah, this is the Luna Play Plus 2 in peach of cake instead of piece of cake, and minty cool. Here's what it looks like. So it says this is valued at $39. Experience a deeper cleanse at an affordable price point with this compact silicone cleansing device featuring softer, ultra-hygienic silicone touch points and an upgraded motor. This waterproof cleansing device uses T-Sonic cleansing to gently massage the face to reveal radiant, glowing skin. So this looks fun. Has anyone else tried this before? Or anything like this? I don't think I have never used a tool like this. All right, I finally got it open, and here's what it looks like. So I believe you use this to like cleanse your face. So here's the power button. I think we just press that and we use it to scrub. All right, we're gonna figure it out. And that is all the items that I got in this one. What did you guys think? I think it's not bad. Oh, they even give you instructions right inside here. It looks like little, you can see. So we can follow those instructions. I think those will be easier. So I do have to, it looks like I do have to charge it up and then lather. So you lather your face and then you run this scrubber all over it and then you rinse. So it's pretty simple. I'm looking forward to giving this one a try. All right, so get to cleanse my face, get my feet back in order as we get to summer. I have my Lash serum. I have my Sleep Better set here that I'm ready to use. And I have my slippers, which I'm in love with the seashells. And I have the sweatshirt, the hoodie, which will be fun. And that's all the items. They do have, like I said, lots of other choices that you could make. So if you don't love these, when you sign up, you can obviously make your own selections when customization's open. Can't wait to hear what you guys loved out of this box, so let me know down below. Hit like, subscribe, and swipe to hype. I'll put all the information in case you'd like to give this box a try down below. Thanks for hanging with me, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.